All right, we are live. So I finished up most of the API code today, and I tested it, and everything's working. So if a request gets sent, we change the student type and all that cool stuff, and it's working and creating like a Stripe object to add to the user. Yeah, pretty cool. And I'm figuring out webhooks right now. They're kind of complicated, but hopefully I can figure it out tonight and get all that stuff ironed out and figured out. And that has been my day. How about you, Mark?
Good stuff, Jacob. Yeah, it's been a good day. I didn't write any code today yet. Got all the books done though, so it was good. It was an event, but it was good, and those are done. So now, man, it's been a great week, and we made lots of progress. Kickflip Studios and the Locked Up campaign is coming along nicely. So really amazing things happening there. Videos are the animation videos, everything. So that's launching on Kickstarter on Friday, which is really, really cool. And then I'm so close to this admin app. I'm working on it tonight, and courses are almost done. And basically, I've done this really cool thing where it started where basically, whenever Jason goes to create a new lecture for a course or a video lecture, okay, because he will have already uploaded it to, let's say, Vimeo. So if he enters the description and the title in Vimeo, then all he has to do when he creates a new lesson is there's going to be a little field where he can paste in the Vimeo ID for that video, and it will automatically pull in the lesson duration in seconds. It'll pull in the title and the description. It'll also pull in the download URL and the streaming URL. So none of that has to be copied or pasted, and just make our lives so much better because our data will be more valid. And then I'm also basing the course price off of that, and that's all going to be automatically done. And so those will always be auto-calculated based on an algorithm. And then if you want to change the price manually, we have the new discount price field, which will overwrite that. And so it's really, really coming together. It's becoming a very powerful tool that is very valuable to us and actually, frankly, worth a lot of money. People would pay a lot of money for this thing that we're building here. So good stuff.
Sweet, man. Sounds awesome.
Yeah, it's good.
Hey, Mark. You were talking the other day about being able to use the Vimeo API for something. Could you also, while you're working in that, use that for the file size for the lessons?
Oh, let me look at the JSON. It may be there.
It's there. So yeah, just a request.
Well, then yeah. So what's cool is they have a special API token that you create. So basically, they allow users to use your app and access their API, but you can also say, I'm an owner and a user, which is our exact scenario. So if we're an owner and a user, which we are, then we can actually, we don't even have to do authentication. We use the special token and it just grabs it straight from the API. And you could get that easily. So I'm not sure what your question is.
Have it added
to the lesson model.
Have it added into the API.
Oh yeah. I'll have that. I'll have it pull down that automatically. And those, what I'll do, Johnny, too, is any lessons where this data is missing on any lesson at all, it'll autofill it for every time. So when Jason goes in the admin app on any course, all he has to do is open up the course and show the list of lessons, and it will pull down the data for each one if it's missing.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Sweet. Very cool. Yeah, so once we go live with the admin app, just let me know what that key is and I'll add it to our data model.
Yep.
Cool. Johnny B.
Good day. Lots of progress on the iOS offline. I am trying to get a little gift to show you guys, but I got the section downloads working, I think, pretty much completely. I'm pretty much, I think I'm like 95% done with the iOS offline. Got the little spinner downloader working for the section header. So yeah, it's looking good. Hopefully Possibly by the end of tonight, I'll be able to make a build for Evan and Jason to check out.
Sweet, man.
Because nobody else is worthy of a build, huh?
Yes.
Our internal test flight users will receive a build. Very cool, man. Good work on that.
Thank you.
We're going to be able to go into QA for iOS offline and subscriptions. This will be good. So much new stuff. Jason.
What up? Good day today. The subscription page is like finished. I went through, added the last finishing touches to it. It works on all browsers, on all screen sizes, and I went through and completed the last modal pop-up for the subscription stuff, and got the success and error input displays on it. None of the like behind the scenes, code stuff, just the user display. So we can just choose which one to show on a success or fail when a user puts in an email. So the modal is created. I went through Jess's stuff. He uses a modal in the testimonial section of our website. There's some madness going on in it. So I didn't tie up the modal through Angular, but everything is there. And then I'm going to be creating a PR later this evening. So, and then I guess I will use Jacob and Jess's help to kind of help tie everything together. I've got the component built.
Jason,
I'm doing that part. Never mind. I'm just gonna go throw the component where it needs to be in the offer section, and then you guys do magic. So that's it. And I helped some with the books, and that was great.
Awesome, dude. Good work, dude.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I'm gonna grab some popcorn for when Jess gets this PR, and I'm just gonna watch the comments fly.
Jason did say it works across all browsers. So, Jack, I'm wondering if you could test it on Internet Explorer 8 for us and make sure that he's actually.
I did that. Safari has a plugin. You can actually test the Windows versions and Firefox on Windows and Mac and everything. You just change the setting.
I don't know.
Safari will load it up. So
It's not the same, man.
Yeah, I don't think it's the same. That's like using a simulator versus the real device.
no, Apple's on top of their stuff. I don't know.
We need to try.
Well, I can use an Apple iOS simulator for everything I do with iPhone. So.
I did the best I could with all the tools I have. So all that matters.
Good work, dude. I'm sure it's great.
We'll see.
I will. Jack Attack.
Yeah, so I got the admin login working. Now, when you first pull it up, you go to the login if you're not already logged in. When you put in a valid email and password, you get back, it sets a property that it's authenticated, and you also get back a token, and it stores that. And then it redirects you to the slopes. So that's all good so far. The only thing I've got left to do is lock down all the routes. And I started doing that. I've got a cross origin problem right now I've got to figure out, but that shouldn't be a big deal. So hopefully by tomorrow, all the routes will be locked down under authentication.
Jack, this beard
Awesome,
is gnarly, man. I've never seen anything like it.
First time I've ever grown one.
Looking good.
That's
Awesome
just 2
work.
weeks worth.
I got so I'm gonna go through your PR, Jack.
Hold off on that.
Oh, I'm not gonna go through it.
Yeah. I submitted that. Let me lock down these routes and get that cross origin thing figured out first.
Okay.
And we'll do it.
Sounds good.
Sweet.
That's all
Hey,
I got.
Jason, someone wants to know if you tested it on Netscape.
Yeah, Jason.
You know it, man. I got all the bases covered. Yeah, right, dude. I don't even know how to do Netscape these days. So
He doesn't even know what that is. He was like in
I
diapers.
know what it
No,
is.
you don't.
Yeah, I wouldn't know where to go to launch Netscape. Anyways,
Hector the Vector.
Guys, this is turning out freaking amazing. I'm super excited. It's wrapping up right now. We just need to get the videos done. And then Friday, official launch of our first Kickflip Studios project. Locked up. It's going to be amazing. I'm super excited.
Yes, this is very exciting.
Everything's looking great.
Yep, that's all I'm going to say. You guys are going to have to wait till Friday. It's going to be awesome.
Yep.
Sweet, man.
Cool.
Evan should put his hands on the wheel. He froze with them both off. Oh, there we go.
I got to give 2 thumbs up every time something cool happens, so I'll run the risk. I don't know. It was a good day. I've been kind of in the car for the past couple hours. I'm like 45 minutes out from slow. So I didn't get as much done as I wanted to today, but like Hector said, the locked up stuff's coming along really well, really good. I'm like 90% done with all the sequences for the things that we filmed last week, and it's looking really good. We got I think like we finally have all our lighting down and our editing down. It's like looking great. So that's almost done. Did some reviewed our analytics from last week and did some Facebook ad stuff. Had a quick call with Jacob. But yeah, that's about it.
Sweet, man. Drive safe. Keep your hands on the steering wheel. I think that's everything. I'll go ahead and fix all those comments, Mark, and push up an update for you.
I'm not done yet, so.
Okay.
Okay.
Not much to harass on there anyways. It's pretty well written.
It's actually kind of nice. I haven't been able to like comment on a PR for a while, so thanks for giving me the chance to smash on your code.
Oh, I'm glad I can fill that void for you.
Cool.
All right, sweet.
Great work, everyone.
Yeah, awesome work. See you guys.
All right.
Bye, everybody.
Adios.
Adios.